Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to tweet your Spotify Wrapped 2022. So first of all, please make sure that you have downloaded your Spotify account just like so, and your Spotify application I mean, and if you don't have it downloaded, just go to your App Store, and from here just download your Spotify. And for those who has it downloaded and they don't have it updated, just make sure that you have updated it on the latest version so you can have the Wrapped ready for you to use. And then just make sure that you have Twitter also downloaded in your account, and just let's check if there is any updates. No, it has no updates, so it will be ready for us to use. Now let's go ahead and open Spotify. Make sure to log into your account, just like clicking on this settings in here. For me, I'm already connected. You will have the login button in here instead of my log out button, so just click on login and connect your email and password. If you don't have, just create a new account and log in. Now after you log into your account, you can have this menu or slider in here. Just click on the first one and let's mute it, and then you can go straight to the second story, because you can't really share every story in here. You can only share a couple ones, which one of them is the second one. So let's wait a little bit until it passes this text, and here you go. Now you can click on share this story just like so, and then click on Twitter, click on open, and after doing so click on maybe later, and after doing so you can click on this. You will be ready to use. Just click on tweet, and voila, now you have like posted your tweet on your Twitter. So that was this tutorial for today guys. Please, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.